Just wanted to say for anybody who's using either the fast funnel or the DM method for bringing people in and selling rather than doing long sales calls, because I was just having some conversations last week with my own clients and they're all so busy. They don't want to have like hour-long Zoom calls. And I know what that's like too, because you know this yourself. It could be that you're following somebody online and you suddenly go, okay, now the time is right. Oh man, I'm going to have to go through the sales process. I mean, there's been 3 or 4 times in my past where I've gone, I don't have time for the sales process. I just want to buy what you've got. And they've argued with me. And I've gone, well, that's it then. I'm not buying. With Laurel, she let me just, fill out the form and I could get into Lean on Laurel. That was about 3 years ago now. Anyway, the point is, if you want to use this DM conversation, I've made 2 documents based upon things I've learned from Laurel and Nick. And so one is direct from conversations we've had with Nick in the past and training. So we've been on with Nick and Laurel and Nick. And I thought it'd be really useful to take all my notes. I mean, I've got loads of different notes everywhere, stuff I've been learning the last few years, and just to condense it into a document so it can help other people to use this method. And I think respect not just your time, but their time too. Because can you imagine if you've got ideal clients out there and they're just really busy and now the time is right, it would be really cool just to be able to help them realize that, and you realize that you're a fit just by going through a messenger process. Okay, so this is everything you need for that. So if you want that, just send me a message. And also for anybody who's actually using the fast funnel guides, which is like basically the same kind of concept, but very much more specific. So I've put together, how to do it. Just a very clear step-by-step process. So you can actually just lead them into either your own sales call if you want to, or you can adapt it using this one. If you are experienced at what you do, and your authority what you do, people know what you do, you've got your 7 hours of content out there, people are watching, you understand that there's a sales timeline now of about 62 to 67 days, this can actually help you with the conversion. Okay, so these are both to help you convert people into either calls or just to use the DM process for lurkers, we call them, for people who they know what you've got, they've been following you for long enough, and now the time is right. So you can use the DM conversation question guide for that, just not converting them so much, but just having the conversation to make sure that they are the right fit. Okay, so if you want either of these, you can just go to my personal page and you just click on that link and you can actually just go in and send me a message. It's better just to send me a message, actually. Just send me a message. Don't worry about that. But you can go to my WhatsApp from there. That's the thing. So click on the WhatsApp button or you can message me here. You're much better off just sending me a message. So just send Tina Sanford a message. Okay? So that's actually what I'm going to do is I will put this video on my personal page and boost it. And then you can just comment underneath my post that I'm just about to do now. That's much easier, and I'll send this over.